So, I'm sure that the state government is fully aware that cattle rearing and dairy farming is one of the economic opportunities to the people, especially in the rural areas. And if the state government is ready to provide support to the farmers, I'm sure the rural economy in the state will thrive. So in the wake of the disease, many farmers are compelled to close down their farm. And as a matter of fact, we know that beef consuming are still depending on outside supplies, and also the milk production is still in deficit. So, sir, may I know that since the farmer is facing acute problem and it has disturbed their business and even dislocated their business. So may I know whether the government is contemplate to provide compensation to the farmers, sir?
The Honorable Speaker, sir, in my reply I said there's no compensation for the cattle, but the government is working out for the all the verification assessment, and that for cattle also the government is going to pay the compensation, sir.
So, sir, am I made to believe that the government is going to compensate the loss of the farmer?
Yes.
And my second question, sir, is that whether the government has verified the cause of this disease, sir, and whether the government at present is readily available with the medicine to treat this disease, sir.
Sir, we have the medicines. Also, we have vaccinated also for the cattle, sir.
So I beg to disagree, because as far as the information available with us, sir, is that till today the farmers has not received any medicine to treat for this disease. So may I get a clear statement from the minister?
This is your third supplementary question?
No, sir, it relates to the same question, sir. Medicine, sir.
See, the government, sir, the Animal and Husbandry Department, they have 4 hospitals which provided medicines and the vaccinations to all the cattle and to the farmers. And also we have 125 dispensaries. And
so no, I want exactly the medicine. Is it the medicine readily available for this specific disease, sir? I don't want the minister to explain about the number of veterinary hospitals. I want exactly the medicine, whether the medicine to treat this disease, lumpy skin disease, is readily available at present or not.
Sir, I've already replied that he said that we have already given medicines to all the farmers.